In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Adobe Express. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to add dynamic animations to your projects, whether they're graphics, presentations, or videos. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Express and either start with a new project or select an existing one that you'd like to animate. Make sure that all the elements you want to bring to life, such as text, images, and icons, are already in place on your design. This setup is essential because once we start animating, you'll want to have everything ready to make the process seamless and intuitive. Now that your design is ready, we need to access the animation panel. Within the Adobe Express editor, look for the animation option. You might find it at the top of your screen or along the left side panel, depending on your layout. Once located, you have the choice to apply an animation effect to the entire design. You can achieve this by simply clicking on Animate All. But if you're interested in animating individual elements, like a specific text box or an image, you need to select that particular element first. Then, click on the animation option to bring your chosen component to life. With your element or entire design selected, it's time to choose the type of animation. Adobe Express provides three main categories of animations to choose from. There's In, which determines how an element enters the scene, with options like fade in or zoom in. Then there's Looping, which provides continuous motion, such as bounce or wiggle, giving your design a rhythmic dynamism. Lastly, we have Out, which dictates how an element exits the scene, like fade out or shrink. These animations transform static designs into captivating stories, so choose the one that best fits your vision. After selecting an animation type, we'll move on to customization. Adobe Express allows you to tailor the direction, speed, intensity, and personality or style of your animation. This flexibility ensures that the animation complements your overall design. For in animations, you have the option to start the element from outside the page, which helps in creating dramatic entrances. Similarly, for out animations, you can choose to have the element finish off the page, wrapping up its scene cleanly. As you tweak these settings, you'll see your project come to life in ways that are both impactful and engaging. Be sure to experiment with different combinations to find the perfect fit. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to animating in Adobe Express. With these tools at your disposal, you can enrich your projects with motion and flair, capturing your audience's attention more effectively.